Hi everyone, this is Marion and I'm presenting on behalf of Capital Partners. Our client this semester is Comtech. The team members are I, Marion, who's the team leader, Solomon Oriamo, Fred Oginga, Marel Aluoch, and Lucy Mithar. We have our mission and vision. We have our core values as a team, which are include proactivity, teamwork, upholding high levels of integrity, building collaboration, and enhancing efficiency. In our problem this semester, our client Comtech is a Pan-African business technology solutions company which focuses on new strategies, building and implementing technological business solutions. Our client is seeking to develop a centric delivery plan with emphasis on customer needs and wants across the company. So we as the Capital Partners will develop a customer-centric service delivery plan to enhance the effectiveness of our client Comtech and ensure that all their products are delivered and the customers are satisfied. We'll look first of all the background research. First of all, customer-centric is the approach of doing business when focusing on providing positive customer experience in order to gain a competitive advantage. So we looked at three major ways of ensuring the effectiveness of customer-centric. So one is we can get customer-centric by using customer data to understand the behavior of buying stuff by the customers. Our client can also be customer-centric by identifying opportunities to create products and services for the customers, and be customer-centric by using customer lifetime value to segment customers based on top spending customers. We also looked at the customer centricity strategy. So basically, customer centricity is just not about having great customer service. It's about putting customers first and at the core of the business. So we looked at the strategy that our client can employ in order to be customer centric. So one of it is understanding the customer in that you know their needs and wants, designing a good platform customer experience, putting customers at the forefront, and having metrics that matter in that you have the accurate data of the customers, and also providing a platform for the customers to provide feedback on the improvement and development of the organization. We also looked at the ways in which our client can gather customer feedback. So our client can get customer feedback by using surveys, and surveys can be done by using either mobile phones, questionnaires, or telephones. We can also get feedback by using usability testing, which is monitoring customer activity using an online portal. We can get customer feedback by using feedback forms, which are some are provided online, and you can also have paperwork, which is offline. Our client can also get customer feedback through social media. Since everyone is going digital, they can have their customers posting their feedback via Facebook or Twitter. We can also get feedback through live chat and also the CRM, which is the customer relationship management systems. So in order for our client to ensure that their customers are satisfied, we advise the deployment of the CRM software, which is the customer relationship management system. The CRM system is a tool for keeping business organized and customers happy. We advise our client to get this software majorly because of the three ways in which it is effective. It's effective and because it will enable our client to track and manage customer contact information. Two, it will enable our client to keep in touch with the customer, which is very effective, so as to know if they're making improvements or not, or if the customer is satisfied or not. And three, the CRM software is effective because it has a portal that enables customer to access the FAQ and troubleshooting articles without the assistance of the agent. In that, if one of the staff is not in, the customer can post something in it. Our customer feedback. In order for our client to ensure customer centricity and to ensure that the customers are satisfied, they need to get feedback. And we have seen the various ways they can get feedback. And also, we want to encourage our client to incorporate a software called the Variant Enterprise Feedback Management Software, which will integrate the customer experience data with the CRM records and the customer database to personalize the interaction. The enterprise feedback management is a powerful means of collecting. It will enable our client to collect, analyze, and act on customer feedback across all channels. It can also help our client to capture customer feedback through web, phone, email, or via SMS. It will be beneficial to have this software since, one, it will improve customer loyalty, it will reduce customer churn, it has a consistent high customer response rate. Hence, it's a very effective software since the records that they will get from the CRM, the customer data they'll get from the CRM, they can integrate them with the enterprise feedback management, and they can able to solve customer issue and know where to improve. When our client will get all those data and from the customer feedback and the customer surveys, not all of them will be of good response. Some of them will include complaint, and we identified ways in which our client will handle customer complaint. Since managing customer complaints is effective, since it will provide our client with a better chance of meeting its customers' expectation, and also an opportunity for our client to improve in what they do and how they do it. So we encourage our client to get the customer complaints management system, which will enable our client to identify the complaint, the cause of the complaint, and how to eliminate the complaint. The customer complaint management system can be found in the ISO 10002 certification. The ISO 10002 certification will allow our client to identify areas in business where it can improve and eventually remove the cause of the complaint. We'll look at also the supply chain contribution to customer service and loyalty. Since we're looking at customer satisfaction and customer centricity, the supply chain is very vital in all this. We will now encourage our client to have a good supply chain management, since it will boost companies' customer service in all its channels. So if our client doesn't have a good supply chain management system, goods will not get to the customer hands, the customer will not be satisfied. So having a good supply chain and a good supply chain management, it will enable our client, one, to deliver all its products to the customer in a faster and accurate way, ensure that all the shipments get to their destination safely, and to enable also our client to maintain an inventory level that he can always has what the customer wants in stock. So having a good supply chain is very vital in ensuring customer centricity and customer satisfaction. So it will enable the customer, if the supply chain is effective, it will enable our client to make its customers have a good customer experience. We also look at the staff customer service. The way organization staff treat the customers will play a major role on customer satisfaction and customer experience. So we recommended the following. For the staff to be trained in, one, customer service skills. These skills include empathy, patience, clear communication, and knowledge. The staff should improve on their customers' interaction. This will be done maybe through listening to practicing active listening, following up to the problem until it is solved. Also, the staff can enhance the customer service strategy, maybe for example by being available when they are needed by the customer, showing up for meetings in time, and also the staff can improve also on having a portal that the customers can give feedback on where they have done their work and also on the interactions. If our client makes it to be satisfied to the ISO 9000 certification, it will have the following advantages or benefits. The ISO, which is a quality management system standard, which is designed to help organizations ensure that they meet the needs of the customer and other stakeholders. The ISO will enable our client, one, to increase customer satisfaction, a better quality management system within the organization, to enable our client to reduce the unnecessary cost, ensure quality of processes, and also help the company to access new markets. So if our client incorporates the use of ISO 9000 certification, its products and services will be conformed to the international standards. Hence, our customers will have the confidence that the products are safe, reliable, and of good quality. We had the above recommendations for a client. In order for them to get the ISO 9000, they should deploy the following: to have a quality management system, corrective and preventive measures, keep records and use the correct documentation, have a regular internal quality auditing for their own system, which is very vital before they get the ISO 9000. Thank you very much. We welcome any questions from any of you. Thank you.